Yeah, good evening. Hi, this is Michael Ferns, and today basically I want to speak about the upcoming municipal elections that is going to be held in Goa shortly. All the candidates have filed for their nominations, and all I can say is that I wasn't very happy to see the hunger in their eyes for the success. And success for what? Not for the benefit of the of the citizens, but it's obviously the benefits of themselves. Several instances have happened of violence, threatening, and all sorts of things going on just for to hold on to the power and to gain their control for this municipal elections. Now, what is the criteria over here? What is the importance over here? Okay, that people are getting aggressive, that people are getting violent. Okay, for what? What is it? This is just a job to serve the people. It is the job to serve the people, for which, if you look at these the municipal councils, when you go to these municipality offices, okay, you can see absolutely no work for the public being done. The only thing that they are interested in is what tenders are being passed and how much money is each person going to be making, and what jobs are going to be taken are going to be on the line just to make money. There are people, okay, who have cases which are lying in the municipality, okay, demolition cases, okay, illegal constructions, garbage issues, garages, illegal garages all over the streets, occupying the streets of in the municipal area, and nobody seems to be doing anything for decades together, leave alone 1 or 2 years. For decades we have seen councillors coming in, councillors going out. We have seen chairmans coming in, chairmans going out. We have seen chief engineers coming in, chief engineers going out. But no change has happened for years and years together. Okay, where the justice for the people? So what are we voting for? We don't know. Why the aggression? We all know. You see? So, my brothers and sisters, over here we have to be very, very tactful as to who we are going to be electing as our candidates. Okay, let it be municipal elections, let it be panchayat elections, let it be any kind of elections. I feel that this is nothing but a big con game. This is nothing but exploitation, lies, and nothing more. Okay, so don't expect anything. My view is, don't expect anything. There are a lot of people who have been working showing that they are working very hard by taking up issues of gas cylinders, taking up issues of onion overcharge, rates of onions going up, or potatoes going up, or tomatoes going up, and they're putting garlands and they're moving from place to place, sitting in markets and stuff like that. Okay, but this is all just to fool you, and it's for their own fame and for their own self-interest. So get this thing in mind. Okay, we have to worry about ourselves. We have to choose candidates who will work for the people and not for themselves. Okay, and over here we can already see that this is becoming a party controlled, it is party controlled municipal elections, when actually it is not supposed to be party controlled. Okay, so you and I are still under threat. Nothing is going to be changed unless we change our attitudes as voters and vote for the right candidate, okay, who will work for the people and not for themselves. Thank you and God bless.